Look, Lois,
Hey. No regrets, okay? I did it. I got the man I love to love me. Didn't I?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, then. Those people need you. Do you think I'd understand that?
We can still see each other, you know? I mean, all the time. But it just can't be...
Just don't forget that song. Don't ever forget.
Well, here we are.
Home sweet home.
See you at work in the morning.
Bright and early, huh? Same old Clark and the same old Lois.
Yep.
Except, maybe I won't be quite so mean to you from now on. You don't have to worry. Your secret's safe with me.
I know. I know that, Lois.
Well, there he goes, kid. Up and away.
Hi, Wayne. Hi.
Hi.
How'd you sleep, all right?
No, I didn't close my eyes all night.
Look, Lois.
I understand. I understand. I sat up all night listening to the voices of reason. Do you know how vile it is to hear the first bird of the morning singing when you've been sitting up all night crying?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, too. I guess it's, sort of like being married to a doctor, you know? The doctor gets waking in the middle of the night, and then the wife has to cope with the fact that he's gone. I guess I'm just too selfish.
No, you're not selfish at all.
Yes, I am selfish when it comes to you. I am selfish. And I'm jealous of the whole world.
Lois, it may not be easy for you to hear this now, but someday you'll...
Clark, look, don't tell me that I'll meet somebody. You're kind of tough act to follow, you know? Now, I'm gonna be fine. You don't have to worry about me.
I like worrying about you.
Would you stop? Don't you know that this is killing me? Do you know what it's like to have you come in here every morning and not be able to talk to you? Not be able to show I have any feelings for you? Not be able to tell anyone that I know who you are? I don't even know what to call you.
Lois, I don't know what to say.
Well, then just say that you love me.
Morning, Lois.
Hi, Clark.
Jeepers, I have seen some faraway looks in my time, but my goodness, with that look, you might as well be on the North Pole or someplace.
The North Pole. No, that's too silly. Did you ever feel like you knew something that was so important that...
Whoops.
No, you never did. I mean, I feel like I'm sitting on the single most important story of my career, and I can't remember what it is.
Well, knowing you, it must have been about Superman. Maybe how he saved the city, or saved the world, or saved the universe.
Clark, listen, jealousy's really counterproductive. Now, there's some things that you can do, too.
Oh, yeah? Really? Like what?
Get us a pizza.
Pizza. Now?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Oh, no, actually, Lois, I don't think Mr. White would like to.
I'll pay for half of it, all right?
I'm going. Lois?
Hmm?
You know about pizza? It's okay. I'll pay for the whole thing.
You know, you're really super.